Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. In today's lecture, we're going to solve this problem. Check arithmetic sequence. Okay, so firstly, let's read the question. You are given an array of integers. You have to find if the elements of the given array can be arranged to form an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is defined as a sequence of numbers where the difference between any two consecutive numbers is the same. Okay, firstly, let's talk about arithmetic numbers. Okay, arithmetic progression basically. Okay, so it's like a sequence only. Let's say I'm going to define an AP. Let's say as you know, let's talk about first whole number. Whole numbers are like this, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So it's also like a series, like something. Okay, and here actually what happens? It is of the sequence A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. And the last term is a plus n minus 1 into d if there are total n number of terms. Okay, so this is the sequence. Okay, in which a is the first term. Okay, a is the first term and d is the common difference. Okay, okay, so if you are going to check any two consecutive numbers and you are going to subtract them, then you will be getting what the difference between these two terms will be is equals to d. See, a cancel out, 3d minus 2d is equals to d. That's why we call this d as common difference. Okay, so let me give you some example of AP. Let's say the first term is 5 and the common difference is 2. Then my AP will be 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, and so on. Okay, so this will be my AP. Okay, this much discussion about AP is sufficient enough for you for now only. Okay, so what actually question is asking? What actually question is saying? They have provided us this array. Okay, so there are some elements in this array. Okay, what they are saying that can these elements can form AP? Can these elements form AP? Okay, let's try a hit and try method. Okay, so in this the smallest element I can see is 1, and after this one is 5. Okay, let's see now. Okay, 1 is and 5. Okay, then common difference can be in this word. If 1 is the smallest and after this only 5 is there, then what can be the common difference? Difference would be 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. Okay, so AP. Let's see if these elements are AP or not. Okay, so first element is 4. First element is 1. Okay, 1 is there. Then 1 plus 4 is what? 1 plus 4 is 5. Yep, 5 is there. And 5 plus 4 is what? 5 plus 4 is 9. Absolutely, 9 is also there. And 9 plus 4 is 13. Yep, 13 is also there. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 is also there. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 is also there. 21 plus 4 is 25. And 25 is also there. So we can see that all these numbers are forming an AP. Right? So how we will be going to do this question? Okay, firstly let's talk about other things too. Like you can see these numbers are present in this in the array very randomly. Okay, we can't actually find the common difference. Okay, if we know the common difference, then the question is very easy now. Okay, so how will we going to do that? I'm going to remind you a formula that if we know the first term, that is the minimum of that of this AP, and the maximum term of this AP. Okay, you can see that I'm going to subtract these two, 25 minus 1, and total number of elements are there 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 minus 1, the formula actually is d equals to maximum minus minimum upon whatever the number of elements is and minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula. Let's see if it's working or not. So 25 minus 1 is what? 24 upon total number of 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, 1 plus 5, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 4 is 21. We haven't talked about 21 also. So 21 plus 4 is 25. I'm sorry. Yeah, the number are 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 fours are 24. So common difference is 4. You can see here d equals to 4 is correct. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9. Okay, so this is how we are going to calculate our common difference. Fine. Yeah, so now you all know that how we'll going to find what actually we'll be going to do. We'll be iterating in this array, and we'll be finding the minimum and maximum value. And plus one more thing, what we are going to do, we are going to add all these elements in the set. Okay, we are going to add these element in a set, And after this, what we are going to do, firstly we are going to add all these elements. Okay, after this we'll be finding what, we'll be finding minimum and maximum. Okay, then what we'll be doing, we'll be finding our common difference. And after this we'll be doing the same thing, we'll be iterating once again in this array, and we'll be finding a plus a plus d, a plus 2d. Here our a will be what, the whatever the minimum value is. Okay, after this we'll be just iterating and we'll be checking whether all these elements are present or not. Okay, so let's code this out, then you will be getting a better picture of this question. Okay, come, let's try to code this out. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create an unordered set. Okay, so here it is, unordered set. It's of integer type, right? We are going to store here integer values. Okay, so I'm going to name it as set. Okay, so plus one more thing, that we have to find minimum and maximum, right? So my minimum initially will be what, in max, because I have to find minimum and I have to compare its value. Okay, so yes, this is my minimum and this is my maximum. Yes. So after this, what I'm going to do, I am going to iterate in my array I equals to 0, I less than whatever the size is. Wait, array dot size and I plus plus, fine. Yeah, so I'm going to update here my maximum and minimum. Okay, so okay, so my maximum will be what, maximum of my maxi and my value, whatever my value is, array of I, let's say. Same to same, I'm going to update my minimum here, my mini, and this is my min, and this is my mini here. Okay, yeah, so I have updated my maximum and minimum. Plus one more thing, what we are going to do here is we have to insert values of the set. Okay, yeah, so my array of I here, yeah, this one mistake is also here, I less than it is. Yeah, actually now what actually happened, let's say, let's take some example. 1 3 4 3 7 and 11, let's say this is my array. Okay, so this is forming an AP. Okay, because first minimum value is what, minimum value is 1 and maximum is 11. So my common difference will be equal to what, 11 minus 1 upon 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So wait, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Yep, it is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 upon 3, it is equal to 3. So common difference is 3. You can see from here, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Fine. So I'm going to here we have find maximum and minimum value. Why we have find it? Why we have calculated it? Because we want to calculate the common difference. Fine. Yes. So my common difference will be equal to what? Maximum minus minimum upon what? My size of my array, dot size minus 1. Okay. Yeah. So after this, what I'm going to do? If this is an AP, its AP is like what? 1, then 4, then 7, then 10. So I can see it like this now, that this is A and this is A plus D, this is A plus 2D, and this is A plus 3D. Okay, so I know what is A here. A is the minimum value. Okay, we have found the minimum value. Okay, so what I am going to do now, I am going to check. I'm going to firstly iterate this. Okay, so this is A plus D, A plus 0D, A plus 1D, 2D, 3D. It's the I will be equal to less than equal to whatever, less than the array of size. Okay, so just see firstly that what I'm going to do here. I'm going to iterate in my array again. Int I equals to 0, I less than whatever my array of size is, array dot size is, and I plus plus. Okay, see. Now I'm going to find a number here. My number will be my first value, my first number, that is my first element, and plus I multiply by D. You can see that this is A plus ID. I is initially 0. Okay, 0, then it's going till 3. If we are talking about this test case. Okay, indices will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it will be firstly having what, 1, and it will be checking. We have inserted all the elements in our set. Okay, so it will be checking whether this is present or not, this value we have here, find it. Okay, we have here found this value. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to check whether it's present or not. Okay, if it's not present, if it's an AP, then there will be that value. If it's not present, that means it can't form an AP. Fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to check if my set if my set dot find, that means I'm going to find this value whether it's present or not. Okay, find done. If it's equal to my set dot end, that means it's not having this value, so I'm going to return here false. Okay, otherwise I'm going to return true. That's it. Plus one more thing, if my array dot size is equals to 1, so I have to return here 2. I'm going to tell you why I'm doing this. This is also in each case, right? Yeah. So let's say if there's only one element present. Okay, in my test case, in my array, there's only one element present. So let's say it is 3. This is also an AP. Okay, this number is an AP of itself only. Okay, so this is an AP also. So now if my array size is 1, then what will be happening here? Will be getting some exception here. Okay, because something upon 0 is nothing. Okay, it's undefined. Okay, then it will be giving here exception. Okay, that's why I have written this condition here. Okay, so our code is almost complete. Let's try to run this and see if there are any errors. Unordered set. Yes, spelling mistake. Unordered. Now it's correct, right? No, it's fine. Yeah. Let's try to run. Yes, now it's getting accepted. Let's try to submit this and see if all the test cases are getting passed. Yep. So we have done this question. I hope you understood this question. If you are having any doubt, please watch this video again. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and please share and subscribe our channel. Okay, guys. So we'll be meeting in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. See ya.